Some people have asked if there's a way to get more of a blog type look and feel to the Apple Wikis once you have those set up. There is. It's a little hidden at first. Once you go ahead and change a user setting, then you can have more of a blog where you're journaling or you're keeping up with updates each day or on a regular basis. So go ahead and log in the same way you would if you were setting up your wiki. We're going to go up to the little gear up in the top right corner and click on My User Settings. This is where you can come in and change your display name, your preferred email, even the appearance of the blog. Where it says Services Blog, go ahead and check that box. If you want to, you can come in and change the appearance of your blog by changing color scheme, the user icon that you have on the page. If you want to create a custom banner or have a custom background, you can use other pictures that you've got to do that. Once you've finished with all of these settings, go ahead and hit Save down at the bottom. Now you want to go up to the plus, and now you have a few more options. There's one that says New Blog Post in My Blog. Click on that. It asks you for a title. You can probably just put in the day's date. And now you have a page for your first blog post. We're going to go ahead and clear this off the same way we would if we were working on the wikis. We'll just go ahead and type in what it is that we did that day in class or what the homework might be. If I need to include a link for the students, I can do that as well. I can also attach a document if I need to. If I'm trying to go paperless or the students are turning in assignments electronically, or you just want to have an extra copy of something online in case they lost it between school and home. You can go ahead and attach a document that you've got somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and choose this document to attach. Click Upload, and then it saves as a link. I'm going to save this page. And I have my first blog post. If I go and click blog up on the top of the screen, I have some other sample posts that I had done earlier, but now it's a little bit more like a traditional blog. As you can see, I don't have other pages going. If I want to, I can incorporate this blog. I could put a link for this blog in my wiki, but if I just want to blog, nothing else, no other pages, I can just go ahead and do it this way. I'll come back up to the plus to do a new blog post and continue with the next day's date to put up more homework for the next date. Same thing, I'm going to go ahead and put in a new entry. If I click on Profile, it's a little bit like an About Me page. This is where I could put some information about myself. I click on Documents, and that has all of the different pages that I've created within my blog. I can go up to the plus, and I can also upload a file to my documents as well. So let's say I have a handout that I wanted to put in, but I don't necessarily need it to be in a particular post that I have on my blog. I just want it to be here as a listing of documents that I have loaded up for students to go take a look at. Once I upload that, it will actually give me a nice preview of it, so I can take a look at that, make sure everything looks fine. I have an option to download that if I want to. At the top of the page, there's a little arrow with a line underneath it. That would be to download that document. It's also now on my list of documents, so any visitor that comes by can click on Documents and find that pretty quickly. And I'm back to my blog again. So this is how you would go about setting up a basic blog for your classroom if you don't want any other pages or other parts to your blog, if it's simply just a homework journal, a homework listing for updates. And also, when you are finished, don't forget to go through and copy and paste the address of the main page of your blog. If you click where it says blog and go back to the main page, copy and paste that and submit that to your building technician so they can update your entry on your school's staff directory.